Hey everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny, and today I'm going to be planting some Windsor beans, also known as fava beans. And if you have not had fava beans, you are missing out because they are delicious. I want to show y'all just how big these fava beans are. This is a sugar snap pea, and this is a pole bean, a regular old green bean. This is a large lima bean, and this is a fava bean. Now, I've already soaked them overnight in a bowl. They do recommend that you do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab a handful of this Joby's tomato and vegetable food and spread it around in here just so. All right, 2 handfuls. And then I'm just gonna make holes about 4 to 6 inches apart. And they have to be about 2nd knuckle deep. And now we're just going to cover them. And now we've moved to a different part of the garden. And this is my great big 100-gallon purple container. It's a grow bag, but it holds 100 gallons of dirt. And it was not easy to fill up, I promise you. So I'm going to plant the rest of the seeds in this garden because that small grow bag was just too small to hold all of them. I still can't get over how big these seeds are. Look at that. They're ginormous. I mean, look. I'm a fairly petite person, but it covers my pinky all the way up to the 2nd knuckle. It's crazy. Anyhow, let's get these planted. Y'all hear that airplane going overhead? I guess that's a problem with outdoor videos, huh? I'm just glad my neighbor's not home. If he was, he'd be blaring his music so loud I wouldn't be able to talk over it. Poppy and I kind of want to move. We've put so much work in the garden that I hate to do it for just 1 year and then leave. And then I hate to have my neighbor run me out of my home, you know. I don't know what we're going to do yet, but we're saving a lot of money living in this house. So it benefits us to stay here, but my gosh, my neighbor, I don't know how somebody can be so disrespectful. And you know, it's funny because I can get along with just about anybody. Truly. Anybody who knows me will tell you that. So it takes a lot for me not to like somebody. Got 1 more left. Let's cover those up. All right. I want to thank everybody for watching, and I want y'all to have a wonderful day. And if you'd be so kind as to click on the video that's in the box that comes up, I'd really appreciate it. Y'all have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you again real soon. All right?